We are in Excel Project Review 1. We're on the Quarter Totals Worksheet, so we'll want to go ahead and select that worksheet down here at the bottom. The first task wants us to go ahead and display the values in B16 from the Sales Data Worksheet on this page. So here we have our cursor here in B4. What we want to do is key the equal sign on our keyboard. Then we're going to go ahead and click the Sales Data Worksheet tab. And what we want to select is B16 here. And then you want to make sure you don't click back here on Quarter Totals, because it's going to flip our sheet name here to Quarter Totals. All you need to do from here is go ahead and hit the Enter key on your keyboard, and it went ahead and displayed that number. We want to do the same for the other 3 quarters. When you're done with that step, we'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task is going to go ahead and have us use the if function to go ahead and display text based upon the numbers here in this worksheet. So the first thing it wants us to do is to go to C5, and it tells us we're going to use the if function. So we'll go to the Insert Function tab here at the top. We'll go ahead and type in the if at the top and click Go. Here we'll go ahead and select OK with if selected. And our first task is going to be to determine if the Q2 sales is higher than Q1. So what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and select B5, or you can type it. And then what we want to do is go ahead and key in the greater than symbol on our keyboard. We'll select now B4, or you can type it in. And what we're asking is the Q2 sales greater than the Q1 sales. Next section is going to go ahead and display the text increase if it's true. I'm going to hit tab. And if it's false, we're going to see decrease. And we'll go ahead and click OK. And here it says that it is a decrease, and that's true. We're going to do the same function in C6 and C7. For the second one, it'll look at is Q3 higher than Q2. And for the other one, it's going to be is Q4 higher than Q3. Go ahead and check that this task is completed. The next task wants us to go ahead and do the sum function in B8. It wants us to add up these numbers here, but instead of using this range in our sum function, what it wants us to use is the quarter totals named range that we created in the previous worksheet. So what we want to do here is we'll go ahead and use the insert function. We'll go ahead and type in sum. We'll click OK. And here in the number, what we want to do is type in quarter totals. And notice that that named range brought these numbers in, and we'll click OK. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and set our print area. It tells us to go ahead and select the range A1 to B8. We're on the Layout tab here at the top. We're in the Page Setup group. And what we want to do is click this Print Area drop-down, and we'll go ahead and set Print Area. We'll go ahead and check that we completed the task.